Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are doing an installation of the Thule Evo Clamp roof rack system with Black WingBar Evo crossbars. This roof rack system for naked roofs consists of an Evo Clamp Foot Pack, the vehicle specific fit kit, and a pair of Thule crossbars. To begin installation, start by tearing the rubber strip that goes in the T-slot channel into two pieces. Then insert each side into the crossbar like so. The strip with the arrows should be facing away from the Thule logo. Insert the measuring scale that comes with the wing bar into the channel on the bottom of the crossbar and set it to the measurement given in your fit kit instructions. For this vehicle, it will be set to 42 in the front and 39 in the rear. To set up the Evo Clamp Foot Pack with your vehicle specific fit kit, reference the instructions to find which clip goes with which base pad and in which orientation. Place the base pad onto the bottom of the Evo Clamp and press the pad firmly into place. To install the fit kit into the foot pack, firmly push the kit into place, making sure that the hooks at the top clip into the foot pack. You can check this by pulling down on the kit to see if you can pull it out of place. Don't forget to label the foot pack with the coordinating sticker to make sure you install each one in the correct location. With the fit kit installed, press down on the area where you inserted the clamp to give you the ability to slide the foot pack into the channel like so. To find proper placement and bar spread on your roof, reference the instructions provided in your vehicle specific fit kit. This vehicle has a post located under the weather stripping that the fit kit slides around, making placement of the crossbars much easier. With both sides of the rack in place, tighten the Allen bolt located in the foot pack, alternating between each side to make sure not to pull one side out of place. Your rack will be torqued to the proper spec when you hear a clicking sound from the tool. Repeat the same process for the rear as well, and make sure the rack does not shift on your vehicle. With everything properly tight, place the covers on the foot pack. If you purchased a 4-pack of locks separately to keep your rack secure, you can install them now. Otherwise, a plastic cover is supplied with the foot pack to cover up the holes. Install the end caps onto your crossbars. The WingBar Evo has a unique flip-out end cap to allow for easy access to the integrated T-slot channel. Finally, with the end caps installed, the last step is to take the rubber stripping supplied with your bars and measure the distance from the foot pack to the end cap. Then, cut it down to size. And with that, the rack is installed and ready for use. Thank you for checking out our installation video. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.